Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. ACKEEMSTERLING here. Now in today's video I'm going to go through some mounting option that you guys can do inside your car. So if you want to mount your camera onto your car to get some nice cool shot while driving, then this is a video for you. Alright, so the first shot that I'm going to look at in this video is this shot right here. Now this shot, my camera is mounted right now onto my windscreen, and this right here that I'm using is the DEHANCER camera mount. I actually mount it right here on my glass, that they can actually capture me right here inside the car, so I can actually drive with this right here and you guys can see me while driving. Now I use the widest lens that you can possibly get to get some more dynamic inside the car. But this shot though, it's not gonna show the steering with me while driving, but it can show me in the car perspective. So if I'm actually driving and talking inside the car right here, talking to you guys, this is a cool shot that you guys can get inside your car right here with this mounting. Alright guys, so this right here is shot number 2, and this shot right here you can actually see me right here with the steering in the frame. So when I'm driving, this gonna actually look cooler because it's gonna show this perspective of inside the car with the steering and all those things that is going on. So you can also try this shot right here, which is a great shot which I actually like. For this third shot in the car right here, I have actually mounted my camera on this small rig arm right here. So this is a magic arm from a small rig which I recently picked up, and actually mount it on my seat right here, so to get that wide angle shot inside the car. Alright guys, so the next shot I'm going to get inside the car right here is using this mount. So this is a head mount, and this is a Ulanzi head mount right here, as you guys can see. Now this head mount can use for my mobile phone and also my GoPro, but I like to mount my GoPro on here because it gives me more wider shot. Not even though the wider shot, but because my iPhone as well can give me a wide shot, but whenever I'm using this on my forehead, the iPhone really gonna get heavy after a time. So what I use on it, I use my action camera to mount it right here, put it on my forehead. Now we have a mount as well, as you can see right here. Now this mount is for the iPhone, so I can mount my iPhone on this, as I said earlier on, but I like to mount my GoPro on it as well. And I'm gonna show you guys this shot. Now this shot is basically the POV shot in which you can get inside the car to get that nice POV shot while driving. And the thing that I like about this POV shot with the GoPro is that I can use my cell phone with the GoPro app on your phone. So if you have a GoPro, you can install the app on your phone to connect to your GoPro, so you can see exactly what is being presented onto your camera as well. And now, as you guys can see, I have that preview right there on my mobile phone. Alright guys, so those are 4 shots that actually show you guys that you can get inside your car whether you're driving. So I'm going to show you guys now some other shot that you can get outside your car while driving. Alright guys, move on to the first shot outside the car right here. As you can see, I'm using my small rig arm to mount my GoPro right there to get that nice field of view right there while I'm driving. So what I mount it on is my door handle right there with the clamp. I clamp it on my GoPro, and this is the shot right here. Alright guys, so next shot I'm going to show you guys, it's outside the car right here. So I'm going to use the DEHANCER mount and my GoPro to mount it outside the car. Well, I can use my camera, but it depends on how much you want to risk it. So the GoPro is more safe outside the car right here, so I'm just going to mount my GoPro onto this DEHANCER mount. As you can see, right guys, right there, in front of the car, which actually mount it, which is gonna give me some great in front drive on the car like this. So let's see how that actually looks. Alright guys, so the next shot I want to try right here is on the top of the car. As you guys can see right there, it's a top down shot. So I'm using my GoPro again, and I'm also using my Delkin mount to mount it on top of the car right there, and let's see how the shot turns out. Alright guys, so for this next shot right here, I'm going to use my GoPro again. Now whenever I'm using a shot outside the car, I always choose to use my GoPro because I really don't want to damage my camera. I mean, the camera is not going to fall out from this, but just to be safe, I'm going to use my GoPro right here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mount it on the bonnet right here, so I can actually give my perspective of me driving inside the car from outside like this. So I'm going to mount it somewhere right here. So I'm going to mount it down more to get it a more dynamic. And then I can hook it up right there, turn on my GoPro. Alright guys, so there you have it. So these are all the ideas of shot that you can get for car driving, whether you're driving inside your car, want to get shot outside your car, and so forth. So let me know guys in the comment section which of these shot is your favorite, and also if you guys have any ideas of some shot that you guys think I miss, let me know in the comment section of some shot that you guys think I should try out. So, and you would want to try out too as well. So let me know what you guys think, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And as always, I see you guys in my next one. Drive peace, stay safe, and bless. I'm out.